So hello everyone. Firebase is essential for every mobile app, and today I'll show you how to set up Firebase quickly and easily using a tool called FlutterFire CLI. It automatically connects with your Firebase project and pulls the Google service file, configures the native side of your project. It automatically creates a script to upload Dsym files on your iOS project, and it also gives you a Firebase options file to very easily and conveniently initialize Firebase into your Flutter code. So let's get started. The first step is to install this Flutter Fire CLI. It is available on pub, and you can install it by using this command dart pub global activate FlutterFire CLI. Here we will install the latest pre-release version here. So we'll take this command and put it in. It is installed now. Now we will put our Firebase dependencies in our pubspec.yaml file. I'll copy these. So the most basic dependencies that we use is Firebase core, analytics and crashlytics. I'll put it here. Next, we will run this command. You can also use FlutterFire configure, but I have put in the project name and the platforms and some other options to make it uh, choose everything automatically without any intervention. So you can find the project name in your Firebase console here in your settings and choose project settings, and this project ID is your Firebase project ID. You can put it here and run this command. So as you can see, the command ran successfully. Now we can see many files generated in your git status command or this changed files. Here we can see the Google service file, the build gradle file, which is also updated with this native side of configuration. Settings gradle also updated with the correct version. We do not have to worry about which version to put when doing manual setup. We have to be careful, but here it does it automatically. And it has also given us this Firebase options file. Next, we will add initialization logic using this Firebase options file. Let's see. This Firebase option files is here. To get dependencies, it will pull the Firebase dependencies, the Firebase core and others. Now you can see here is an example of how to initialize it. So we'll take this example and put it in our main. We'll import it, import Firebase options, make it async, then also add widgets pending.ensure initialized. That's it. Now we should be able to run our project on both Android and iOS. I'm running it on Android. The app is built and it is installed in the device, and if you can see in the log, should be able to find something related to Firebase. Like here it says Crashlytics is working correctly. Now we'll try to run it on iOS. It requires higher minimum deployment version. We'll do that. We'll open this in Xcode. Okay, right now it does not allow. We'll do it via Finder. We'll update this minimum deployment version to 13. And then again we'll do the same thing in pod file. Uncomment this. Done. Try to run again. It will take a bit longer. I'll speed up the video. The app is installed and the initialization was done. However, nothing was printed, but because there are no errors, we can see. We can also see the same thing in the console. As you can see, we are now able to see two devices being active in last 30 minutes. That was one our Android and second was our simulator. Let's commit the changes. We'll take everything and commit as Firebase configuration. That's all for this video. Do let me know if you want me to show you how to set up Firebase configuration for an app which has multiple flavors. I'll place all the links and this command in the description and post in comments if you're facing any issues. Like, share and subscribe.